Here's the kit. It includes the gateway, the Y harness, the big long power harness, and the temperature sensor. Here's a different photo of them, or video. First thing I'm going to do is to install the Y harness. This is on a 2006 Fleetwood Revolution. You can see right here where to connect the harness. And then I'm going to run it down to the bottom there on the right side and go into the electrical bay there. Here's the Y harness connected up. You just disconnect it and plug the Y harness in. And then you can see there's the long power cable. I got to route that through. Now there it is. It's coming into the electric bay. And I had mounted the gateway there, connected the power cable to that. And they have 3 wires on there, ground, one that goes to the house battery, and one there to the RV battery. There's a zoomed out, zoom back in to see, get a close look at it again. And here you can see the one on the left that connects to the start battery, and then the one on the middle is the house batteries. I put a fuse, 5-amp fuse on that like recommended, and then to the right was the ground. And here's the app. And you can set it to auto start or just start it manually and stop. Gives you the battery levels, temperature, and you can go to the next for the settings. The different ones. Set it to start, quiet hours, what the for the temperature, what you want it to start, auto start at the temperature, shut off, so forth. It also gives you the notifications and phone numbers for support. It's a pretty straightforward installation. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.